Some people can watch someone suffer and feel nothing at all. No fear, no guilt, no hesitation. Scientists scanned the brains of serial killers and found something surprising. So in this video, we're breaking down how a serial killer's brain actually works. Deep inside your brain, there's a small almond-shaped structure called the amygdala. Its job is simple: process fear and process empathy. When you see someone in pain, your amygdala lights up, you flinch, you feel it too. In brain scans of psychopathic killers, that same region often shows up smaller and less active. Some studies found up to an 18% reduction in amygdala volume compared to average brains. It's not that they don't understand pain. They just don't feel the alarm bell most humans feel automatically. Here's where it gets more complicated. Researchers separate this into two types: primary psychopathy, which is biological and present from a young age, and secondary psychopathy, shaped heavily by childhood trauma, abuse, or neglect. Some killers showed signs of manipulation and detachment from a young age. Others developed these traits after years of extreme abuse rewired how their brain processed threat and reward. So the question isn't just were they born this way, it's a mix of wiring and environment. And scientists still argue over the ratio. The scariest part isn't the lack of empathy, it's how well some of them fake having it. Psychologists call this instrumental empathy, reading what emotion to perform without actually feeling it. A serial killer can mimic concern, charm, even warmth, purely as a tool to get what they want. This is why so many were described by neighbors as quiet, polite, or the last person you'd suspect. Some researchers believe warning signs can appear as early as childhood. A documented pattern called the MacDonald Triad: prolonged bedwetting past a certain age, fire setting, and cruelty to animals. It's controversial and not predictive on its own. Most kids with one of these traits never become violent, but combined with an early lack of remorse, it's one pattern researchers still study today. Even today, courts and scientists disagree on how much control these individuals actually have. Brain differences don't erase choice, but they do complicate the question of blame. Some researchers argue psychopathy exists on a spectrum most people fall somewhere on, just at a much lower intensity, which means understanding this isn't just about killers, it's about understanding empathy itself. So is a serial killer's brain broken, or just built differently? The honest answer: we still don't fully know. What we do know is that empathy isn't just a feeling, it's a function. And in some people, that function simply never turns on.